Welcome to Best Choice. The Best Sublimation Coasters is probably one of the most versatile and creative ways to personalize your home decor or create unique gifts, transforming simple blanks into vibrant, custom-designed pieces that reflect your style or brand, making every drink a statement and every surface a canvas for your artistic expression, all while offering practical protection and a professional finish that truly stands out. Number 5. Joyclub 20 ounces Skinny Straight Sublimation Tumblers 10-pack. Discover our 20 ounces skinny straight tumblers, designed for flawless sublimation. Their perfectly straight form ensures an easier process and significantly reduces common errors. These tumblers feature a special coating that guarantees bright, vivid sublimation prints. Say goodbye to foggy results. Your designs will always look crisp and clear. Whether you use a heat press or a sublimation oven, they support your unique designs. These tumblers make ideal personalized gifts for family, friends, or corporate events. Every tumbler arrives in its own individual gift box, complete with a splash-proof lid, straw brush, rubber bottom, and shrink wrap film. Everything you need is included. Crafted from 18-8 304 food-grade stainless steel, they are built for durability. Their double-insulated walls keep drinks hot or cold for extended periods, enhancing your daily experience. The integrated molding technology ensures an absolutely straight surface, making your sublimation project simple and successful. Achieve professional quality results with ease, every time. What we like? This tumbler features an absolutely straight design, making sublimation easier and reducing errors. Its special coating ensures your prints are bright and clear, never foggy. If you're a crafter looking for professional grade results and easy application, this is an excellent choice for your personalized gifts. What people say. Number 4. 40 PCS Sublimation Blank Car Coasters. These coasters are crafted from soft, stretchy diving material, ensuring durability. They also feature an anti-skid bottom, preventing any unwanted slipping. Their size is 2.75 inches in diameter and 5.0 millimeters thick. Customizing them is straightforward. Simply use a transfer machine with temperatures between 356 degrees Fahrenheit and 428 degrees Fahrenheit for 20 to 60 seconds. Remember to adjust settings based on your specific heat press. Perfect for DIY crafts, they help you preserve your most cherished memories. You can personalize them with photos of family, friends, or beautiful scenery, creating truly meaningful gifts. These versatile coasters are suitable for numerous occasions. Use them in your car, office, kitchen, or living room to protect surfaces from various cups and bottles. You receive a generous pack of 40 pieces, perfect for enjoying DIY crafting with your loved ones. We also offer excellent customer service, including refunds or free replacements if needed. What we like? These are specifically designed for car cup holders, made from soft, stretchy diving material. They feature an anti-skid bottom to keep them securely in place while driving. If you want to personalize your vehicle's interior or create unique gifts for car enthusiasts, these are perfectly suited for that purpose. What people say. Number 3. Sublimation Blank Square Coasters 50-pack. These coasters are crafted from high-quality neoprene, featuring a special thermal transfer layer. They are soft, elastic, and resistant to deformation, ensuring durability. Their non-slip bottom keeps them securely in place. The blank white side of these mats is perfect for sublimation, allowing you to personalize them with ease. Transfer your favorite pictures, family photos, or selfies to create unique designs. Simply use a press temperature of 180 to 190 degrees Celsius for 60 to 80 seconds. This package provides you with a generous total of 50 pieces, more than enough for your home use or craft projects. Each one measures approximately 3.93 by 3.93 inches, a perfect size for most glass bottles or cups. Its pure white surface absorbs dye beautifully for vibrant results. The black neoprene back is dirt-resistant and features an anti-skid texture to prevent sliding. A convenient finger notch ensures quick and easy removal. Once you've designed your own unique style, they become meaningful gifts for family and friends. These creative and personalized items will impress them on any occasion, from birthdays to holidays. What we like? Crafted from soft, elastic neoprene, these square coasters offer a smooth surface for vibrant sublimation. Their thoughtful design includes a finger notch for easy removal. If you're looking for a versatile, durable coaster with a practical design for everyday home use, this bulk pack is a great option. What people say. Number 2. DIY Sublimation Blank Square Cup Coasters. Crafted from soft, elastic neoprene, these coasters are designed for durability. Their non-slip texture ensures your drinks stay secure and stable. With blank sides ready for sublimation, you can easily transfer your favorite photos and designs onto them. Just apply heat at 180 to 190 degrees Celsius for 60 to 80 seconds to bring your creations to life. This bulk package provides 100 pieces, perfect for all your crafting needs. Each one measures 3.93 by 3.93 inches, fitting most cups and glasses perfectly. Its smooth white surface absorbs dye brilliantly, while the black neoprene back is dirt-resistant and anti-skid. A clever finger notch makes them easy to remove. Design unique cup mats to create truly meaningful gifts for family and friends. They are perfect for birthdays, holidays, and any special occasion. What we like. This generous pack provides 100 pieces of square neoprene coasters, perfect for large-scale projects. They are soft, elastic, and feature a non-slip back for stability. If you're a business owner, event organizer, or a prolific DIYer needing a high quantity of reliable blanks, this bulk offering is ideal. What people say. Number 1. Sublimation Blank Ceramic Coasters with Cork Backing, 6 PCS Square. Transform these blank coasters into personalized masterpieces. With heat transfer printing, you can create unique designs. They make perfect gifts for any occasion. Crafted from absorbent ceramic and natural cork, these coasters safeguard your surfaces. The cork backing prevents scratches and ensures a non-slip grip. These versatile coasters are perfect for any setting. Use them in your kitchen, office, bar, or restaurant to complement any decor style. Measuring 4 by 4 inches, they fit all standard cups and mugs. Cleaning is simple, just rinse with water, brush, and air dry. It's that easy. Each set includes 6 blank ceramic coasters and 6 self-adhesive cork sheets. You'll have everything to start your DIY projects or enhance your home. What we like. Unlike others, these are made from absorbent ceramic stone with a natural cork base, protecting your furniture from scratches. They are easy to clean and maintain their pristine look. If you prioritize a premium feel, superior absorbency, and elegant home decor, these ceramic coasters are the perfect choice. What people say. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.